Welcome to bsdtutorial.org. Today we're about to install PostgreSQL on FreeBSD. And in this tutorial I apologize a little bit about the sound quality because I think my microphone is a little bit further away compared to before, but it's a lot comfortable for me, so I hope it will be fine with sound quality. So to be able to install PostgreSQL you will need to have the ports tree installed. If you don't have, how do I know if I have it, for example? Well, do like this. If you're able to go to USR ports, then you probably has it, and then you can just update it if it's out of date. If you don't have it, you can make the command portsnap fetch and portsnap extract. This is how you do it. This will download and install the port tree. This will take a while though. So to be able to install PostgreSQL, what we need to do is to go to USR, ports, databases, PostgreSQL 92 is the current version right now. Might be newer when the video gets later. We need to go to this folder. And then when you're in this folder, you just need to run the command make install clean. This will compile PostgreSQL. It will install it and it will clean up all the old files from the compilation. I'm not sure what if you need anything of this any particular thing. If you need, just select. I'm going to run the default. And compiling this might take a while, so I'm going to jump forward a bit in the movie. So after PostgreSQL has been compiled, we need to edit our etcrc.conf to be able to make it to boot at start time. This is the line that you need to edit, the file. In here you need to add PostgreSQL, see this one spelling right, PostgreSQL underscore enable equals yes. And then you just save. And now we're going to initialize the database for the very first time, and you do it by going to USR local etcrc.d PostgreSQL and you type initdb. And when this is done, we need to make some other configurations also. The first thing we want to edit is the USR local PostgreSQL data. This one, I'll show you the path. PGSQL data PostgreSQL.conf. So in this configuration file we need to search for listen underscore addresses. You can do it in VI by making a slash. And we should arrive here. Remove the hash mark to uncomment it, and remove localhost and add an asterisk inside instead, like this. That's how it should look like. Now you can change the write to this file. And now we need to edit another file. To make that, we need to have a hash authentication to all the users who are logging in. And this is done the following way. We need to edit USR local PGSQL data pg underscore aba hba.conf. You can go all the way down to the file and you can insert right under here, I guess should be okay. Then you type host all, and then you make the IP range that you have. In my case it's this one, 192.168.0.0 in this case. And you make a trailing slash with 24, which is the should be the data mask. And then on the method over here you write MD5. This should be everything you need to configure, so save this one. Now you should be able to start the server with this command. And you type start. Now we need to create our user. So you can do like this, for example. SUPGSQL. And when you're this user right now, you just type create user SDR and a big caption P. Then you select the username. In my case I'm going to call it Plex. And I want to create a password here. Perfect. Now I just need to exit. We should now be able to access our PostgreSQL with a sort of an admin interface. I'm going to try this from the Windows side with PG myadmin. It's called PG admin, I'm sorry for that. And I'm going to check what IP address I have on this machine, ending with 64. So I'm going to make a new connection here. Let's see how to add a server. I think it was over here. BSD tutorial, just as an example. Port, service, username, Plex, password. And when this has been configured right now, as you can see, I think you should be able to log in directly now. And we are connected. Here is our database. So you can just create a new database in here if you want. My PostgreDB. Definitions. You can use the template 0 in case that you want to have the and working UTF for latin 1, for example. Because if you're using Swedish signs, I guess that's latin 1 should be the correct one. Haven't done it for a long time now, so I might be forgetting it. Okay, so then you just press OK. And then you have a database connected. As you can see, everything worked fine. And that's everything you have to do to set up PostgreSQL database in FreeBSD. Take care and watch for more tutorials later.